What if I told you could turn a simple text or even a single image into a full AI generated video in just a few minutes? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around because today I'll show you exactly how you can generate unlimited AI videos with almost no effort. Alright, now we need to open any browser in our PC or in our mobile phone. Once the browser open, we need to select new tab and we need to search for iMail. So iMail is a website that provides us free educational emails. We'll be using this email ID in the later part of the video. So once we are into the website, we need to click on new. Then we can select any random name. Like for this one, I'll be selecting any.thing. And then we need to select a domain. Make sure the domain should be an educational domain. Then we need to create the email ID, and yeah, just see, now we have the email ID that we'll be using in the later part. After this, we'll be searching for Digen AI. This is a website which we'll be using for creating AI videos. Okay, once the website is open, okay, this is my previous website. So here I'm already having 780 free coins. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how we can create accounts and we can get 300 free tokens. So we need to search Digen AI. Then we need to open the first website and see, now it's a free account and we don't have any credits in this account. So once we will be logging into this website, then we'll be getting 300 credits. So for logging in, we need to create on the profile icon. Then we need to click on sign up for free. And here we'll be pasting the email ID, educational email ID that earlier we had created. So we'll be copying this email ID and then we'll be pasting this email ID in this website. Once it's done, we'll be clicking on send code, and a verification code would be generated and sent to this email ID. We just need to go back to this and refresh, and then we'll be copying the OTP and we'll be pasting it there. Okay, now we need to click on continue with email. And we need to choose any random passwords. Then once it's done, we'll be clicking on done. See, after creating our account, now we have 300 credits. Likewise, with 300 credits, we'll be able to generate 10 videos of 5 seconds. Now we need to generate an image which will be converting into video. So for generating image, we need to go on another website, that is Microsoft Bing. Here we just need to give a prompt and we need to click on the create. I'm damn sure by now you would have come across so many of AI applications which doesn't allow account creation with temporary email address. But today, I'll teach you how you can trick those applications and create unlimited accounts for unlimited video creation. So stick around till the end. For every prompt, they'll be creating 4 images and we have an option to select the best among those 4. Just wait for a second till the images are being generated. Alright, the images have been generated. So now we'll be selecting one image and we'll be downloading that particular image. Once the image has been downloaded, then we'll go back to Digen AI and we'll upload that image over here. It will take 1 or 2 seconds to upload. Okay, the image has been uploaded. Now we'll crop it according to our choice. Like if we want it in a portrait, then we'll be cropping it into 9:16 ratio. There are a lot of aspect ratio we need to select according to our need. Yeah, now we need to give a prompt, so I'll be just giving a random prompt. like generate a video of old lady feeding crow. Okay, after giving the prompt, we have some options like we can add lip sync, we can add musics, and there is a video control as well. In video control, we'll be getting two options. That is, if we want to generate a 5-second video and 10-second video. So since this is a free account, we don't have option for 10-second. So we'll be just selecting 5-second and we'll click on generate video. It will take some time, like 2-3 minutes to generate one single video of 5 seconds. Let us see how much time this will take. Okay, our video has been generated. Let's play and check. It's working fine. Since we haven't given the specific prompt, like what are the actions we need in this particular image to be done when it is generating a video, that's the reason it's not that very detailed video. Now let us create another account and see if we are getting 300 credits or not. So first we'll be logging out of this account and then we'll click on sign up for new account and we'll be creating a random email. It's done. Now we'll open Digen AI in another tab and we'll click on sign in and we'll paste the email ID. And then a verification code will come. We need to paste that and we'll be creating a new password and clicking on done. It's done. See, in another account we got 300 credits again. So this thing we can do for n number of times, and every time we'll be creating a new account, we'll be getting 300 credits for every new account. Likewise, we can create as much account we want with this educational mail. Just for your knowledge, I'll tell you that there are a lot of temporary email websites available, but all other temporary email will not work in this website. I'll show you the proof. Let us open any other temporary email address website and let's check what is the error message that we'll get. So we'll be copying this email and we'll be pasting there and we'll be clicking on send code. See, every time whenever you will be pasting any other temporary email instead of email, then you'll be getting this particular error 3001. Just for confirmation, let's check with one more website. See, again we got the same error. So as I told you earlier that only educational email will work on AI applications. If you are trying with any other temporary emails, then it will not work. Alright, now we'll check one more method. Click on create. After clicking, we'll be redirecting to this home page. There we'll be getting two options, video and image. We need to click on image and we need a prompt for generating image. So for that prompt, we'll be using ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, we'll directly ask ChatGPT to give us a prompt to generate image of a boy running along with stick. And here is our prompt. We'll just copy this prompt. Now we will go back to Digen AI and we'll paste the prompt and we'll click on the generating button. We have some options of selecting style for the image and we have the option for aspect ratios as well. So for this video, we'll be going with the default settings and we'll click on generating button. It will take some time and our image will be generated. So for every prompt we'll be getting 4 images. I'll be selecting one image from this 4 and I'll be using this one for generating a video. And we'll click on make a video. We need a prompt to generate a video from image, right? So we'll again go back to ChatGPT and we'll generate a prompt for doing that. So we'll simply type to give us a prompt for generating video from the image generated above. ChatGPT will give us a prompt. We'll just copy that. Then again we'll go back to Digen AI and we'll paste the prompt. Then we'll click on generate video. It will take some time, 2 or 3 minutes to generate one video, and we'll see the result once the video is generated. Okay, finally our video has been generated. Let's see how this video is working. See how beautifully this Daikin AI has created this video. So once we'll be clicking on the video, we'll be getting the option to download this video. We'll just click on the download button and our video will be downloaded. So as of now, you can see that there is a watermark in this video. So for removing watermark, you need to open any video editor. You need to import that video from which you need to remove the watermark, and you'll push it into the timeline. Once the video is in the timeline, we'll just select the video and we'll see, we'll click on the crop button, and we can change the ratio according to our need, but for this one we'll be going with 9:16, and we'll just crop the lower part in which the watermark is there. See, once the video has been cropped, now this video is completely free of watermark. In the next video, I'll teach you how you can add audios and effects to this video. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating. You now know how to generate unlimited AI videos using just text and images. If this helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications.